Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. So I have an awesome item that I'm going to be reviewing today. This was sent to me for PR through Amazon from Tongate. And it comes in this, kind of open the box, it comes in this really cool packaging. This is for the Samsung Galaxy 23. It has a sliding camera, dual layer, military grade, and it clips on to your belt, and it has a kickstand. So I'm hoping I could put this together by myself. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I so appreciate it. And if you like my video and its content, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you, thank you, thank you. I so appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So let's get into it. So it comes, again, in a nice outer bag. And this is what it looks like. And again, I'm putting this together in front of you, so hopefully I can get it. I watched several videos on it so that I wouldn't make mistakes, but it comes with directions. And if you purchase this through Amazon, they will send you a link for a manual on how to put it together. So I thought that was pretty cool. So what you do is clip off the case. You have to separate them. Now this does come in different colors. I chose the black, but it comes in like 4 or 5 different colors. And then here's the bottom. And again, all nicely packaged. Oh, separation from here. Okay, I told you this is gonna be fun. Now, I do not have this type of phone yet. You never know. Judging by how they talked about the case, I might have to get the phone. So I'm just going to use my phone, see if it fits in here. I have my outer case on here. Okay, I just put my phone in here just to show you how it works. So it fits in like that. And as I said, my phone is not the right phone, but this is pretty solid. And then it has, see the sliding case? There's the camera. And then you just slide this to cover the camera. So how cool is that? I'd be sitting here playing with this all day. But it does have that. And then on the back is for the clip. It's actually, I think on this one, yeah. So it's on this part, so I'm just going to attach this with my phone in there. Hopefully I'll be able to rescue it. It doesn't quite, yeah, my phone doesn't quite work with this, but I'm just trying to give you a visual here. So then you would snap it shut, and if I had the right phone, it would snap shut so quick. And you can tell it's sturdy. And again, this is a military grade. So if you drop this, I don't know about you, but I have dropped my phone. It's really, really protected. And then it has the clip that you can clip to your pocket, you can clip to your belt. So if you want to walk around, you want to do yard work. It's got this very durable clip. And then, I believe it's this part. So then on this part, you just pull this down and you can stand it up, and you can do it sideways. You can see everything. So this is pretty cool. And it's got, you know, the buttons on the outside for your volume. I keep flashing the picture of my son. And it's got all the buttons on there. And how cool is this? I wish I had the right phone, because the phone actually sounds pretty cool. So it is for a Samsung Galaxy. I have an iPhone in there. but I just thought this was sleek. I like the fact that it's got the built-in where you can just stand your phone up or put it on the side. And this clip is really cool. And then you just close it all back up and then you have your phone. So I'm just like so impressed. I mean, this is super, super heavy. And a little bit more about it, hold on. So just to do a recap, this is what the phone looks like. Again, it's got the thing so that you could hold it up. This is my favorite part of the phone is that you can slide this back and forth to protect your camera, especially if you're gonna drop the phone. Very durable. It's got the clip. And again, this is designed for the Samsung Galaxy 23, and this is the Ultra 5G case. So there's two different sizes. This is the Ultra 5G case. So I'm just gonna like be playing with this all day. So it's easy to separate. It's got your things on the back, military grade. So let me know what you thought of this. Do you have an S23 phone? I would love to know what they look like or how you like it. So again, thank you so much for supporting my channel. I will leave the link for the Amazon. And so again, I want to thank Tongate for sending me this for review. So as always, you guys have an awesome day.